With master data information, it's possible to insert default master data information on sales order headers and lines, and it's also possible to modify those and afterwards to transfer those to the posted documents. So in this example, I have a sales order here. I have modified it, and if I'm printing it in this case, I'm printing it using another add-on called Dynamic Reports, just to show you how it works. And if I zoom this print, I can see, for instance, on my header, here it says, please confirm this order. I have all my line information and footer information. This is the information on my master data on documents. So if I go into my header, for instance, I can see here all the information stated on this header, and I can see check marks for whether or not they should be printed on the open document or not, and whether or not they should be printed on the posted documents or not. And I can see here which information I want to transfer to, for instance, my invoice and shipment, posted shipment, or received if it's a purchase order, transfer to invoice or to both, etc., etc. So this way I can set up which of this information should flow into the posted documents when posting it. So it's all set up once, of course, normally, and then you just use it afterwards. So let's post this sales order. And we'll just both ship and invoice it to get some different documents here. And we'd like to open the posted invoice just to see how that looks. So this is my posted invoice, and if I navigate the header up here, I have on the posted invoice my master data information, and I can see here all the information that came from the sales header that was supposed to be transferred to the invoice, whereas if I look on the posted shipment, all the ones saying transfer to invoice only instead of transfer to invoice and shipment would only be here on the invoice, of course. So I can print my invoice just to see how it looks here. And again, I'm using my Dynamic Reports because I need a report that uses those table information, of course, to do the printing. And I can see here on my invoice the information that was entered on the open document but not printed came up here in the header. And maybe it shouldn't say please confirm my order here, so I should have changed this manual correction on my order by saying don't print on the posted documents, which I didn't. Likewise, I could find my posted sales shipment. Here. And I'll just find my last one. And if I print my posted sales shipment here, I can see again this is a Dynamic Report setup, and it might display other information depending on my setup. And again, I can go into my master data information on the header and line to see how it works. Here as an example, I can see I have no text on the header here, and I have whatever text on the footer. So it's possible to define which information should flow through my order and invoice and shipment flow.